Greetings, Calc 2 students. In this video, we will take a look at the course structure and what your workflow will look like. First of all, this is a fully online course, which is different from a remote course. In a fully online course, we have no dedicated class meetings. We say the class is taken asynchronously, whereas in a remote course, you often meet at a regular time, but from a remote location. This doesn't mean you'll be left alone. I'm here to support you and guide you in your learning. As we discuss the workflow, I'll highlight ways in which I will be providing that support. So in this course, you'll be working in assigned groups with your peers. Because we are taking what is usually a 16-week course and condensing it into 6 weeks, you are expected to spend a significant amount of time on the course each week. To make it easier to plan, the non-exam deadlines are all Tuesdays and Fridays. And for each of these deadlines, you will be repeating a work cycle for multiple topics. So let's take a look at an example. The first topic, section 6.2, has a Tuesday deadline. Let's open the 6.2 page. On this page, you can see an overview of what the topic is about. Additionally, you can see your preliminary assignments. These consist of videos and occasional readings, along with some preliminary questions. These are tasks you should complete before meeting with your group. As you watch these videos, you should take notes as if you were in class. The goal of the preliminary questions is to see if you got the basics from the videos or readings. These preliminary questions are graded on effort, and you have unlimited attempts to complete them. Additionally, there's a space in each of these quizzes to individually ask me questions. I'll regularly check them and answer those questions. Just make sure that you include your questions in your last attempt, as this is the only attempt I usually see. Once you've completed your preliminary work, you are ready to meet with your group to complete a group activity. The goal of these group activities is to extend your knowledge from the videos or the readings. I provide both a PDF of the activity as well as a link to the Jamboard you can work on. I encourage you to utilize the Jamboard for a few reasons. First, the Jamboard is an online whiteboard that allows you to collaborate with your group, even if you aren't in the same physical space. Second, you can see what other groups are doing if you're stuck. You can flip to other slides. Third, I will be monitoring the Jamboards to provide you feedback as you work. Once your group has completed an activity, you will take a screenshot of your board and upload it to Canvas. I will again provide feedback on that work. And then there's two other types of assignments in the course. There's written and online homework. Each topic has its own online homework assignments through MyLab and Mastering. It is up to you if you want to try some of these problems before you meet with your group, after you meet with your group, or while you meet with your group. You are graded on correctness rather than effort, but you do have unlimited attempts for the online homework. Note that the problem does change after 5 attempts, so you don't want to randomly guess. If you're stuck on an online homework problem, use the Ask Your Instructor button, and I'll get an email with a link to the problem and your question. The written homework is due less frequently. There are 1 or 2 written assignments per week throughout the summer term. The focus for these written assignments is to demonstrate your understanding by showing all of your work and using proper terminology and notation throughout. You're welcome to discuss homework problems with your peers or to bring questions to me during office hours or over email, but you should be turning in your own work in your own words. I provide a rubric for each homework assignment. Make sure to check your work against the rubric before you submit. This will help you determine if you showed enough work and remind you to check your notation and terminology. Our course grader will grade these worksheets, and I will share with you the common mistakes. So other than the exams, that's it. You'll be repeating these cycles for each topic throughout the course. But before we end, I want to point out 2 other resources for support. First, each unit has a discussion board. Feel free to post questions here. They can be about the course structure or deadlines, about individual topics, homework questions, etc. And the second is that I will be holding regular office hours and can also set up appointments with individuals or groups. My goal is to support you in your learning, so please reach out to me if you are struggling. You'll know this before I do, and I want to help you all succeed. Have a good day, everyone.